So we got our practice in on the small trees. Now we're taking out the granddaddy right here. This thing is like 100 and almost 20 feet tall, and it's 12 feet around at the base. So the issue that we have here is that the tree is like 120 feet tall and 70 feet over, right above this truck here are the power lines that feed power to all the way around Hayden Lake. So what we want to do is make the tree fall exactly this way right here. So what Casey's friend is doing is he's making a level cut here, then he's going to come in on an angle and cut a wedge out, which is going to make the tree want to fall into the wedge, thus making it go exactly where he wants it to.
I better go check and see if we hit the road.
Oh no, you would have hit the power line before you hit the road.
Dude, you sit on my favorite tree.
Oh my gosh, he uprooted that one.
Both of them. Not just one, both of them.
That's what I said.
Oh, perfect. Look at that. I told you, slow down. Maybe you'll get some legs. Take it easy. Take it easy. I would leave those going to the exit on it. I would. But no, I was trying to hit those. I was like, well, if we can knock them over and pick the stuff out now, it's just digging.
The fun part's over with. Now we gotta freaking haul it away.
So, I'm serious. You cut 16.6. 16.6 on the front one. Is that right there?